Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to start with our new project, that is our Tic Tac Toe game. So we are going to make this Tic Tac Toe game in our Tkinter, that is a library in a Python. So basically we are going to make this game in Python, right? So let me execute the code and show you that what we are going to build in our next videos. So here is our UI, or you can say our windows that we have made using Tkinter. As you can see over here that we have 9 boxes and a reset button. So basically the 9 boxes you can see are buttons, right, that we have used. Now as you know how to play tic-tac-toe game. So the first chance goes to X. So if we place X over here, then automatically our program will give chance to O. Now it's chance for O, so we'll place O over here, and again it's chance for X, so we will place X over here. Again we will place O over here and X over here. Now it chance for O, so we'll just say O, and again if we place X over here, then X wins, right? Again if we place X over here, then X wins. But if we place X over here, X can't win because X can't have a combination of 3. So I'll just say X over here, and as you can see X wins. Now if you want to play again, you can just say reset, and the whole checkboard, or the base will be clear. Now you can again start, and the first chance will go to X always. So we'll just say X O X O X, then X wins, right? Now if you want to make O win, then we'll just say X O X O X O. As you can see, O wins, right? So this is what we are going to build in our next video. I'm going to explain the logic behind our project. So here you can see that this is an image of a, you can refer it to a XO game, right? Tic-tac-toe game. An image I have downloaded it from a website, right? So here you can see that they have 9 boxes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The rules for these games are basically, simple. So if a player X or a player O makes a combination of 3, then they win, right? So here you can see the O wins because the O has 3 combination in cross order. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So O wins. But as you can see, X is also 3, but it is not in a pattern or not in a horizontal, vertical, or cross way. So it can't win like that, right? There are 3 possibilities that a player can win. So there are the horizontal ways, the vertical ways, and the cross ways, right? So basically, there are 8 conditions in which a player can win. Now, to explain the same logic to our computer or to our program, we have represented this image as this one, right? So here you can see I have named the boxes as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, and B9. You can refer B as boxes or B as buttons because we are going to use buttons in our project. So here you can see that we have 9 boxes, right? So the logic is simple. If there are only 9 moves in this game, because after 9 moves, if there is a tie, we can display tie. If X wins, we can display X wins, and if O wins, we can display O wins. But there is nothing like 10th move. You can only have 9 moves because there is no 10th button, right? So if we are going to use a count variable to count if there are 9 moves, if it exceeds the 9 moves, or if it is equal to 9 moves, then we can display that it is a tie because there are no matches of 3 groups, right? So here a player can win in 8 possible ways, from which 3 are the horizontal ways, 3 are the vertical ways, and 2 are the cross ways, right? So let us first see the horizontal ways. So the horizontal way is when B1 is X, B2 is X, and B3 is X. So here B1, B2, and B3 is X, then X wins. If B4, B5, and B6 are X here, then X wins. Right? If B7, B8, and B9 are X, then X wins. So basically, if these three, this is the horizontal line, like we are going to display the line that this x has these three combinations, so x wins, right? Same goes for these three combinations, same goes for these three combinations. So these are the three combinations that is horizontal, so we are going to name it as horizontal way. Now we have the vertical way. In this vertical way, we have 1, 4, and 7. We have 1, 4, and 7 as x. If we have these three boxes as x, then we are going to display that x wins. The same goes for 2, 5, 8. If 2, 5, and 8 are x, then x wins. And same goes for B3, B6, and B9. If B3, B6, and B9 are x, then x wins. Right? So B1, B4, B7, B2, B5, B8, B3, B6, and B9. Right? So this is, as you can see, they are in horizontal, they are in vertical ways. So we can name it as the vertical way. Right? Now we have our Till now, we have covered a total of 6 conditions, the 3 horizontal ways and 3 vertical ways. So we are remaining with 2 ways, that are the cross ways. In the cross ways, you can see if B1, B5, and B9, B1, B5, and B9 are same, then X wins. And if B3, B5, and B7 are the same, then X wins. So basically, this is the cross way. The group of threes are like this: B3, B5, and B7. So this is a possible way that X wins. And this is also possible way where X wins because they are a group of three in a cross way, right? So there are total 8 conditions, the 3 horizontal way, the 3 vertical way, and 2 cross ways, right? Now, if you want to apply this same logic for O, then you can apply it because in place of X, you just have to place O because the logic is same, right? So this was just a basic application of basic logic of our project.